Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So I'm sorry for one if it's really up really late tonight, but nonetheless, it is a video up. So I'm really excited for today's video because I had major breakthroughs with drawing hair. Um, and one of them is drawing the skull first. Now I know how to draw the face shape and everything, but I was missing the skull and yeah, so I hope that you guys can get something out of this video tutorial on how to draw hair. So tonight I'm going to be spending it practicing hairstyles and doing ballpoint pen portraits. So I'm really excited um, for this video. So hope you guys enjoy. See how the volume of the hair with that? I beat the volume I've always wanted without making the hair too high and getting the proportions right at the same time. So I was like really excited when I learned about the skull, and I've been taking Skillshare after Skillshare classes, and with that being said, it's like okay, how do I make it have volume? Well, the hair was off the head, and drawing the skull really helps with that, and drawing the skull shape and everything. And also having the hairline, and I've always missed out on the hairline with drawing, so that's been really helping my hairstyles with that. Um, I've been meaning to practice flowy hair and trying to get the long flowy hair going, but I didn't do that for this video, so there might be a part 2 coming soon. But you can tell I had started out with the bigger shape and then going in with details and just, breaking it down into sections and drawing it that way instead of just going in and drawing the lines and strands. And yeah, so I had a lot of fun doing this video for you guys. If you have any questions, I did do the feature because I really wanted to focus on the hair and for this demonstration, and I've done more than one hairstyle. I've done a shorter one. I still need to work on a short hairstyle because um, starting to practice on that because it just looked like, I don't know, block or something. I don't know. But anyways, nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun doing it, especially learning the skull technique and practicing wavy hair. And I really like this hairstyle right here, straight hair. And um, I've been taking Skillshare classes and it's been really helping a lot. And I was like, I gotta get a breakdown and learn. And, I'm just really happy of how my art is coming along. Look at the volume. I'm like, oh my gosh, I've been wanting the volume for a really long time. When I was doing portraits early on in my Wilson sketchbook, I was trying to draw the hair and fill up the whole page, but then now I know how to draw proportions a little bit better with the hairstyles and everything. You can see now that I am adjusting and moving the hairstyle. So, uh, if you want, I can put this on Instagram. I know you guys are telling me where's the problem was for the other video you did earlier this week. Still working on that, try to get that out for you guys. Be patient with me. So yeah, anyways, you can tell here that I was trying to practice short hair a little bit, and it's just short hair can be tricky, I guess. Hopefully it's readable for you guys, but I totally forgot to draw the skull there a little bit, but I was having a lot of fun with this and knowing the anatomy. So yeah, I keep saying yeah, but I'm just having a lot of fun, like with this new drawing way of drawing portraits and everything. I will start a new sketchbook soon, so for the month of April. Really excited about that. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I will be doing a lot more tutorials. This is just laid back chill video, Procreate style, drawing hairstyles and everything. So if you guys want more hairstyles like drawing short hair, long hair, flowy hair, let me know and I can definitely do something with that. But this is just a beginner intermediate step for that in Procreate. So this is just how I go about it, Procreate practice and everything. I really don't have much else to say here for that matter. So I'm going to put the rest of it on music, and I hope you guys enjoy watching the speed drawing. If you guys have any questions, also let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be happy to answer them. And here is an example of profile, portrait, hair practice, and look at the volume! Look at us! I'm so excited. Anyway, bye guys. Okay, hey guys, and welcome back to this video real quick. I just wanted to show you my sketchbook of 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 the Skillshare class I have taken. I'm taking notes, and you can definitely tell the volume of the hair and everything. It's in proportion, you can tell details. But I was mainly practicing hairstyles, portraits, and this is just an example of me practicing, learning an anatomy of flowy hair right here. So I'm really excited and everything, and yeah, so I'm really excited about this. Like, sketchbook is all about practicing and getting the fundamentals down, and just having like a practice area instead of making everything perfect. But that's not the point of the video. The point of the video is I'm practicing hair anatomy, and I might go back in and add details to it, but I really want to spend a couple of days practicing hair, or maybe just an hour or something practicing hair or something, and just getting your hairstyles down. So that is what I wanted to show you, and I was just practicing different hairstyles and different, I was putting all my practice into this portrait that I need to shade. But I'm really excited about this new adventure I have. I think this is like a beginning growth of my art. I guess I don't know. I'm in between drawings right now, so this is like a new endeavor that I'm coming across. So hopefully you guys will like this video. So yeah.